So welcome to Maths with H. We want to see how we can solve these two simultaneous equations using matrix, specifically using the Cramer's rule. Okay, so what we are going to do first is to pick out the coefficients of x and y. Take note of that. So the coefficients of x here are 3 and 5. So I'm going to write 3, 5. The coefficient of y here are plus 2 and minus 3. So I have plus 2 and minus 3. Now these coefficients I've picked out. This is what I will use to form my matrix A. So which means that my matrix A is equal to this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to find the determinant of A. Recall that the determinant is you are going to multiply your major diagonal. The major diagonal is always this one here. This. So we have 3 times minus 3. That will give us minus 9. And then you subtract your minor diagonal. Your minor diagonal is this other one. This diagonal here, 2 and 5. So 5 times 2, that gives us 10. So which means that our value for A determinant is minus 19. So take note of this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to get my A subscript X matrix. Now what is this A subscript X? It simply means that is a matrix gotten from is a matrix you get when you replace this X coefficient by these constants here, these constants on the right hand side. So I'm going to put back this this matrix A, but this time I'm replacing my X with 7 and 37. 7 and 37. So you see I've replaced my X column. I'm going to still put down my Y column. So we are going to do the same thing again. We are going to find the determinant of A subscript X. And when you do that, we go 7 times minus 3 will give us minus 21. These are major diagonal minus the minor diagonal 2 times 37. I think that will give us 74. Yeah. So and our answer here will give us minus 95. So that is my A subscript X. I'm going to do the same thing to get my A subscript Y. We are going to replace our Y this time with the same constants at the right. So I'm going to put back my X 3 and 5. Now this Y column, I replace it by the constant 7 and 37. So we do the same thing. We find the determinant. So 3 times 37. So 3 times 7 will give us 21. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2. I think that is 11. So that's 111 minus 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, so when we subtract this, we are going to have 11 minus 5, which is 6, and that will give me 76. So my A subscript Y is 76. So the next now is that I'm going to apply the Cramer's rule. So we are going to apply the Cramer's rule now. Cramer's rule. Now Cramer's rule says that for you to get your X is to use your A subscript X coefficient, your determinant of A subscript X divided by your determinant of A. And that is, we have gotten our A subscript X as minus 95 divided by our A, which is minus 19. You get that? So, and when you do that, that will give us plus 5. And then we do the same thing to get our value for Y, which is A subscript Y determinant divided by determinant of A. We have gotten our A subscript Y also as minus 95, then we're going to divide it by, so that's minus 70 plus 76, sorry, plus 76. We're going to divide it by minus 19, and when we do that, this will give us minus 4. So this is our solution. So therefore your x is minus 4, is your y is minus 4, and your x is minus is plus 5. So these are the two solutions we've gotten so far. That's the solution. Y is this, x is this. Thanks for watching. I hope you've gotten value. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.